friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make the world's most favorite dish, that is Thai green curry. Now let us have a look of what all ingredients are needed to make this dish. So I'm making a vegetarian Thai curry, so I'm going to use all vegetables. So I'm adding beans, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, onions and pepper. Then I have this Thai green curry paste, organic coconut milk. Then I would be adding some pineapple, some fresh mint leaves, and some garlic and ginger for flavoring. And I have Thai rice noodles. Let's get started. Alright, so I have cut the vegetables here. Make sure they're nice and chunky so that they absorb all the flavor coming out of the curry and they taste good. Now let's get with boiling the noodles. Now the secret behind to get nice flavorful noodles is all in the way how you make it. So to make really good Thai noodles, you need to make them flavorful, and for that you need to add noodles only after the water starts boiling. And when it's boiling, you add salt to it, then you add some cloves, and the secret ingredient that you add is star anise seed. Now you add some noodles. After adding the noodles, you let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure they are soft but firm. Don't let it be soggy. Just 8 to 10 minutes is good time. While the noodles are boiling, I'll get started with the green curry paste. So I'll add a tablespoon of oil. Now once the oil is hot, add some garlic ginger. After that, I add 2 teaspoons of our green curry paste. Now keep the flame to medium-low and add vegetables to it. Now keep stir frying the vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll start getting a nice flavorful smell coming out of green curry. I'm not adding pineapple right now. I'll be adding it later since pineapple is soft and doesn't need that much of stirring, stir frying. So I've boiled my noodles and put them here after boiling it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm getting nice flavor, nice smell coming out of it from clove and from star anise seed. So I'll put some water just to cool it down and make sure it doesn't become soggy. I'll add a tablespoon of oil on top of it. After adding some oil, I'll put it in a container and toss it thoroughly. After tossing it, I'll let it stay and I'll get back to the curry. So it looks good now after 10 minutes. I'm now gonna add some coconut milk to it. Now I would be adding half cup of coconut milk. I'm adding organic coconut milk here. So the coconut milk that I'm adding, it's thick, so we might need some water over it. Now turn the flame to high and add some water and keep stirring for maybe 5 minutes, and that should be good for us to have the curry ready. Now while the vegetables are absorbing this nice flavorful curry, we'll be adding pineapples to it. And now we'll be adding the secret ingredient. And the secret ingredient is mint leaves. It would be really giving you a nice aroma and flavor coming out of green curry. Give it a nice stir. Wow, I'm loving the smell that is coming out of pineapple, mint leaves, the green curry paste. It's all gelling in so well. I'm really loving the smell. I think we should be ready in another 2 minutes. Now I also added some sugar and salt to it. I'm loving that smell. I'm loving that flavor coming out of it. Now let's have it for the serving. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what's the next recipe that you would like to see from my kitchen. Thank you so much.